Over the next few years, I'm going to be documenting the establishment of my primary workshop in the west of Ireland. I'm a master stonemason and sculptor, and for the past 3 decades my main workshop has been in the Cotswolds in England, alongside working and training internationally. 3 weeks ago, following a significant carving commission, I moved to County Mayo. Over the coming months I'll be establishing my primary workshop here and reducing my base in England. This move is directly connected to my training. I trained over 40 years ago in London. At the time there was a large proportion of skilled Irish people in the craft. I was trained by Irish master craftsmen, and the methods I was taught carried through the individuals rather than through the institutions I worked for. These included sculptural traditions such as the Munster School, Style of the West and Kelto-Scandinavian. Over time, some of these approaches have become increasingly rare. Through my work with Irish architecture and cultural projects, I've been asked to carry out commissions and also to pass on aspects of this training to Irish young craftspeople. Alongside the cultural aspect, this work brings ongoing economic activity to the area, in the region of 300,000 to 400,000 euros each year through international clients, visitors and the day-to-day running of my workshop. Through these videos I'll be documenting the process of establishing the work, continuing working internationally and adapting to life in the west of Ireland. I'll leave it there for now and I'll see you again soon.